Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair the easiest way in the world. It's only going to take about, 15 minutes or so, and I'll cut this video down so it's not as long, but this is the only way I curl my hair. It is so easy and so fast. But first, I wanted to remind you guys to like and subscribe to this video. Leave a comment down below if you have any more suggestions for me. Also, check out my blog. It is www.briemic.com, B-R-I-E-M-I-C, as my Instagram handle. You guys can find a lot of stuff on there. I post a lot of beauty and empowerment blog posts. You can find skincare hacks, you can find my favorite makeup products, all kinds of stuff, as well as some things that'll, get you in a better mental place, because I do believe a lot of beauty comes from having a good mindset. So go ahead and check that out. Let me know what you think, and let's get to this video. So first, you can see my hair is straight. I actually recently just blunt cut my ends and I love it so much. It makes your hair look so much thicker. But what you do first is you part your hair into two sections. So this is all my hair in the front now. It's in two sections, and brush it out so that there's no tangles. And yes, I am sitting on the floor of my room right now because this just happens to be the best lighting in the house at the moment. So all you need for this is a brush, two hair ties, and your curling iron of choice. Today I'm going to be using my wand. I would say it's like a medium barrel wand because I've seen some that are wider and some that are even thinner, but I really like this one because it gives me like a thick curl and then a little curl at the end. So you're going to take your two hair bands and you're going to put your first side in a ponytail. Now the ponytail is going to be wherever you want your curl to start. So I like for my hair to be kind of straight on the top and then for my curls to fall at the bottom. So I put mine right here. If you want them closer to your head, obviously put your ponytail up higher. But just wrap that 2 or 3 times until it's a little bit tight. Just like that. One side's done. Let's go ahead and do the other side. I have a little hair sticking out here, but that's from my little bang in the front, so I'm not gonna worry too much about that. But here are your two ponytails, and you're gonna take your curling iron. I have mine set at 360 and it's been heating up for a little bit. So we're gonna take this ponytail and we're gonna end up parting it in 3 or 4 sections. So this first one, it's kind of a, I guess, medium. It's not a lot of hair, but it's not a lot of hair, but it's gonna end up being part like this in 3 sections. So I take my first section. Okay, so you're gonna part your hair in the first section, comb it out, grab your heat protectant spray. Please do not forget this step. This is what protects your hair from 360 degrees of heat. And it also, in my opinion, helps curl it better. I think it holds a better curl whenever I use my heat protectant spray. So you're gonna spray it a little bit, brush it through, take your curling iron, place it, and wrap the first section. And I usually let it sit about 20 seconds. And you can sometimes touch the hair a little bit. Don't hold your hand on it, obviously, but you can see how warm it's getting or how hot it's getting. And then, so you take your wand down and just let your hair sit. I use my Garnier Fructis hairspray. And remember, you're not gonna brush your first curl. You're just gonna lightly spray and on to the next one. So like I said, we're gonna have about 3 parts on this ponytail. So I'm gonna take the next section, spray with heat protectant, brush it through, grab your wand or curling iron, wrap your hair around, and hold. Remember, don't brush. Grab your hairspray, lightly spray. Okay, next section. This side of my head is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these curls to the back and bring out my other side that isn't done. Look at that. Okay, so we have both sides curled. So let's go ahead and take this side down. And I mean, the easiest way is just to slide this out. Just like that. Okay, and this side too. Ta-da! We got curls! So next what I like to do is kind of just run my fingers through so that they stay luscious and bouncy instead of brushing it where you get that a little bit of frizz and a little bit of like, I don't know, I feel like just running your fingers through it keeps it more together. And that's it. My hair is done for the weekend. And feel free if you want to add some more, like sometimes I will take this section up front and I'll go ahead and wand it a little bit more because I like the way it frames my face a lot higher. So I'll go ahead and wand this one just for a little bit. Yep, just like that, because I like the way it frames my face in the front when this section right here is curled too. And there you have it. Your curls are done in less than 15 minutes. And they look beautiful. A lot of times people don't curl their hair because it takes so long, you know? And this is just like the quickest, easiest way to get beautiful curls in your hair that last and that are just as pretty as if you spent half an hour doing it. So this is the end of my hair curling tutorial. If you guys like it, like I said before, like and subscribe below and check out my blog. Like I said, it is breemick.com, where you can find all kinds of beauty and empowerment blog posts. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.